In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add hashtags on Instagram Reels after posting. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then hit add profile, and let's find some reel among my posts. Here I got a reel, and let's say I want to add hashtags to that reel. In that case, all you have to do is just hit at this three dots icon, and then just hit on edit. That allows you to change a caption for the reel, so I can just stop right here, and then I can add any hashtag, just like that, and then I'll tap at done to save the changes. That's how it works. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and I see you in the next one.